Welcome to HandiFox Online. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential account settings you need to know when getting started. We'll cover subscription settings, user management, company details, inventory, sales, shipments, units of measure, printing preferences, and customization options so you can set up your account exactly the way you need it. To begin, open the web app and click on Settings. This is where you'll manage all the key details for your HandiFox account. Under Subscription Info, you can review your current plan, change your subscription, or purchase a new one. In the History tab, you'll also find a record of your past subscription purchases and invoices. Next, let's check out User Management. Here you can add or delete users and adjust their permissions. Only the owner and managers can invite new users. To do that, simply click the plus button. When adding a user, enter their email address, choose their role, and set permissions, unless the role automatically grants full access. Permissions are very detailed. You can decide whether a user can view, edit, or create specific transaction types or data. Once you save these settings, the system sends an invitation email with instructions for completing registration. Now let's head into Company Settings, where you'll find options that apply across all modules. Here, you can enter your company name, address, and other key details. If your account is connected to QuickBooks Online, these fields are pre-filled and updates must be made directly in QuickBooks. Taxes also flow in from QuickBooks. In Regional Settings, you'll choose your date and number format and set your correct time zone. You can also upload your company logo, which will appear on purchase orders, item receipts, sales orders, invoices, credit memos, and payments. Next up, Inventory Settings. Enable Manager Approval if you want all quantity changes, whether from counting sessions or manual adjustments, to be reviewed before they're finalized. If needed, you can equate barcodes to product SKUs for easier scanning and tracking. Choose whether to display item categories and SKUs in transactions. You can also control item visibility across specific locations. To help staff quickly locate products, turn on bin locations. Prevent transactions from being saved if they would create negative quantities on hand. Require full serial or lot number assignment for tracked items so transactions can't be saved until all details are complete. In transaction numbering, you can customize how purchase and inventory transactions are numbered so your records follow the structure that works best for your business. Let's set up units of measure. HandiFox Online allows you to create multiple units of measure that match how you purchase, store, and sell your products. You can add individual units or build unit of measure presets. Presets save time by letting you define a base unit, related units, conversion rates, and which unit applies in different scenarios. This way, you don't have to configure units for every single item one by one. Now let's head into Sales Settings. The Take Customer Signature option lets you decide if the mobile app should capture a customer's signature when creating an invoice. You can also make this mandatory by checking Customer Signature is mandatory, so the step can't be skipped. You can add or remove extra fields on sales forms, like discounts, shipping charges, deposits, item notes, or tendered amounts and balances. HandiFox Online also allows invoice prices to update automatically when sales order prices are edited, saving you from manual changes. You can set accepted payment methods, enforce first expired first out fulfillment by only allowing soon to expiring items on sales transactions, sync PO numbers with a QuickBooks custom field, and assign all invoices to a QuickBooks location. For convenience, you can enable autosave so transactions are saved before a session times out. Finally, you can adjust numbering patterns for sales transactions and add custom notes. Next, let's check out Shipment Settings, where you can control how picking and packing works in HandiFox. The Pack All feature lets mobile users skip manual packing by selecting a single checkbox. If an order is packed in multiple stages, you can choose to keep updating the same invoice instead of creating new ones. To tighten control, you can block manual quantity edits during picking. In this mode, items must be picked using barcode scans on iOS or Android devices. You can also include not yet shipped items on packing slip reports if needed. Now, let's quickly look at email settings. With HandiFox Online, you can send digital copies of purchase orders, sales orders, invoices, receipts, payments, and credit memos. Each type of transaction email has its own customizable template, so you can tailor messages to fit your business. And finally, under printing settings, you can adjust the default print format and add your company logo to forms. This keeps your printed documents consistent and professional. And that's it for HandiFox Online settings.